In this practical, you will verify integrity of multiple files using hash. So if any file is suspected of being tampered with, it will send to the Sally's PC for further analysis. The IP configuration is already done, and these three centers are at three different geographical locations. So now let us start doing this activity. The name of the activity is File and Data Integrity Check with the help of the hash. So now the first task is FTP server access from the Mike's PC. So let us go to the Gotham's Hellcrayer branch, and here there is a Mike PC. Now let us follow the steps. I will divide the screen. So now this is the Mike PC in a Gotham Healthcare branch. So let us go to the desktop and let us click on the browser. So browser will take some time to open. So now in browser, we are going to type http www.co.corp, this web address to access the server, and let us check. Okay, server is a bit slow. Now I'm downloading these files, and here I used basically HTTP port, Hypertext Transfer Protocol port 80 to access these files. Okay, so now let us go to the second task. Now the file server has been hacked and we need to notify the Sally. Okay, so again we'll go to the Mike PC and we'll open here simultaneously in window. So let us go to the desktop. So I'm in the desktop and let us open the email, and I will compose the email, and I want to send this email to Sally. So I will copy this web address and okay. So I will type it Sally at o.corp, and I will tell about the this file server. File server in hack, and you can write some message here. At the moment, I will write here forwarded for your information. Okay, and then send the email. See here, send is success. Done. So this completes the second activity. So in the first step, we have access FTP server from the Mike PC. Now let us download client files from the backup file server to the Mike PC. So here again I will do the same process. I am going to the Mike PC. Okay. I will divide the window into two parts for your convenience. I will go to the browser. Browser will take some time to open. So now going to this particular server address, and I will download the most recent files and their hash. Now you can see here name of the file, all are the text file, and the respective hash is there. Okay, so now the next step is, first of all, I will copy all these contents. Let me check whether I can copy. Possibly not. So now you can also download these files by using FTP. So for that, again, I'm in the mic PC, going to the command prompt and typing the command FTP www.cisco2.com. So now it is asking me for the authentication, username mic, password is 123. Now I have logged in. Now I will check which are the files there by just typing command directory. These are the files. Now let us say if you want the first file, clients.txt. So type the command get and name of the file any clients.txt. Enter. It has transferred 584 bytes. Now like this, you can download any file from the server. So if you want to quit, just type the quit command here. Okay. Now I will check in the directory the file any clients.txt. It is there. It is downloaded. It is the first one. Okay. So now let us verify the integrity of the files using hashing. So now know the contents of this particular file. I will go to the text editor. I will click on the file. I will say open, and here is the file. Click here. The contents of the files are here. Okay. So now I'm copying all the contents, and on my computer I'm opening this online hash tool. Okay, first of all I will open this hash tool on my computer. Okay, and then I will check hash of this one, but which hash they are asking, let us check. They want to use algorithm message digest 2. Okay, so let us paste it and see here the algorithm is MD2 and result is 202, and these all hexa words. Okay, so this is the hash for this file. Now what you need to do is this particular hash value you need to compare with the original one. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now here is I will go to the mic PC and we'll just check hash once again for this file by opening the browser. and comparing it with the original one. So let us check hash with original one. So now it is saying that protocol not supported because here there is a repetition. See, okay, our file was NE clients. Sorry, our file was NW clients and its hash is DD, something like this one. And the calculated one is this one. So both the hash values are different. So it indicates that the file is tampered. So this is the way you can verify the integrity. But let me check once again. Let me check. And the calculated value starts with a 202. NE clients, no. So definitely the file is tampered because the hash of the original one, it not match with the. So in this way, I have verified the integrity. So now download the suspected file to the Sally's PC. So now in this case, what you need to do is you need to go to the Sally's PC. So Sally's PC, it is in a different network. It is in a Metropolis bank headquarters. It here, and here is the Sally's PC. Go to the desktop, go to the browser, and you need to download the suspected file to the Sally's PC. So instead of going to the browser, we need to go to command prompt. Okay, and via FTP, you need to reach to this one. Okay, now it is asking for the username, that is Sally, and password is Cisco 123. Okay, so I have logged in. Now just type the dir here and check. Okay. Now the file which is tampered is neclients.txt. So this file is tampered. So now you will use the same procedure. You will use the same procedure as in the previous one. So up to this point, everything is completed. Now Sally is having access for the any clients. Okay, so let me go to the text editor, file, open. We need to get that file. So this is the way. Now I will check in the directory of the Sally. Yes, that file is there. Now here, what we need to do is in Sally's computer, once you will have that file, our job is completed because we want that infected file into Sally's computer. And let me just do it again. File transfer is in progress. So it is showing error FTP peer reset. Okay, so let us start once again the process. Let's go to the FTP once again. Username Sally. Password is Cisco 123. Okay, logged into Sally. So get the file. It is done. Now check the exit. Sorry, quit from this one and check the directory. Yes, it is there. Any clients.txt. Okay, so Sally will use this file for the analysis because it is a tampered file. Because as we have seen in the previous step, it is not matching. Okay, now how you can verify integrity of the critical files by using HMAC. So now we need to go to another network. Okay, so that is Metropolis Bank, and we need to open the Bob's computer. Go to the desktop. So now Metropolis Bank headquarters, we are in the Bob PC. Okay, so let us go to the command prompt, and in command prompt I will verify that income.txt file is there in the Bob PC. Okay, so now let us go to the text editor to check this file. So click it here on the open, and this income.txt file we need to open. Okay, so now before copying the contents, I will go to the HMAC generator. Copying this file, opening in the your PC. Okay, now I will copy this entire message and the algorithm which is suggested here is SHA-1. It is showing here SHA-25. Let us select the SHA-1 and it needs a key also. That key is Cisco 123. So Cisco 123. Now let us compute the HMAC. Now HMAC is 1B31, this entire number. Okay, so we have calculated the HMAC. So this is the computed HMAC, and HMAC is always secured as compared to the general hashing. For example, message digest 2, message digest 5, because now those algorithms are outdated and length of the output there is around 40 to 64 bits. So here you can calculate 1 hexa corresponds to 4 binary bits. So all these are hexadecimal numbers. Count it and multiply it by 4. Then you will come to know that here it is more secure because the output length is bigger as compared to MD to MD5. Now, within the Metropolis bank, we need to go to browser and we need to check hash. Okay, so I'm just comparing whether this hash is same, but that we need to check it from the Bob PC. So I'm going to the Bob PC. I will close this one. I will go to the browser. And I will just try to compare the hash. Now I'm pasting here that address. So here again, there is a repetition of hypertext transfer protocol. Host name unresolved. Let me check. Where is the issue here? Here is the list of the files and hash. Now see, income.txt hash is 1b and hash value we got is the same. So this file is not tampered. Perfect one because the original hash it matches with a downloaded one. And in this way, we have done integrity check actually, particularly for files and data. So in this case, we have used SHA-1, HMAC, and MD2, these three algorithms. Thank you very much.